Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat, Standard 7, Chapter number 8, Comparing Quantities. In this chapter, we have to learn about some methods which we use for compare two or more quantities with each other. In question number 1 of exercise 8.1, we have to learn about the find the ratio of rupees 5 and 50 paisa, and then after 50 kg to 210 grams. In this way we have to compare the both quantities, and there are two methods in that particular sums. And then after we have to solve the word problem, like in a computer lab there are 3 computers for every 6 students. How many computers will be needed for the 24 student? So this kind of word problem we have to solve about that. Then after in 8.2 exercise, convert the given fractional number to percentage. So we have to find the percentage for the given fractional number. So 1 upon 8 multiplication with 100 percentage, that is a fractional number which we convert already into the percentage. Then after question number 2, convert the given decimal fraction to percentage. So here we have to convert 0.65 into percentage by using multiplication with 100. So that is a 65 percentage, which given decimal fractional number. And then after 2.1 upon 100, so 2.1 upon 100 multiplication with 100, that is a 210 percentage. Then after 12.35 multiplication with 100, that is a 1 2 3 and 5. Then question number 3. In the question number 3, estimate what part of the figure is colored and hence find the percentage which is colored part. So we have to make the percentage of the given circle and its part. Okay. Then after question number 4, find percentage of the 15% of the 25 250 of the numbers. So we have to find out the portion which is 15 percentage of the given number 250. Then in the question number 5, find the wall quantity if 5 percentage of it is 600, then 80 percentage of it is, that is a 40 liters. So in this way, this kind of problem we have to solve in this chapter. Here you can see that in question number 6 there is a percentage, fractions, simple forms and decimal forms are given. So these all forms are the simplest forms of the given examples. And further I will say that if you are not joined Zoom classes via Vidyalaya application, please contact our school and fulfill the all the conditions of our schools, and then you got the ID and password of the Vidyalaya. Okay, so as quick as possible, please visit our schools. Then after in question number 10, a local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It was 25% of them, and how many matches did they win? Okay, so this kind of word problem we have to solve by using the problem like 25% of 20, then after we got the 5 matches. So this concept we have to use in the questions. Okay, then after next in exercise 8.3, we have to summarize question number 1. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transaction. Also find the percentage of loss percentage in each case. So gardening shares bought for 250 and sold for 325 rupees. So here selling price and cost price difference we have to find in this example, and we have to use the formula of profit. Profit is the selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 325, minus 250, that is a profit of the all this sum. Okay, so profit is equal to profit upon cost price multiplication with 100, that is a 30%. Then after cost price of the refrigerator is equal to 12,000 and selling price of the refrigerator is equal to 13,500. So here selling price is greater than the cost price, so it gives us profit. Okay, so we have to find the profit with the help of SP minus CP in the equation, and then profit upon CP multiplication with 100, that is a 12.5. So our profit is 1500. Then in the question number 2, convert each part of the ratio to percentage, that is a 3 into 1. So 3 into 1, that is a 4 parts. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So fractional part is equal to 3 upon 4 multiplication with 100 and 1 upon 4 multiplication with 100. So we got percentage of parts, that is a 75% into the 25%. Here total parts 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is a 10. So 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 5 upon 10 are the percentage of part. So 2 upon 10 multiplication with 100 into 3 upon 10 multiplication with 100. In this way we got the percentage like 20%, 30% and 50% in this way. In question number 3, in question number 4, Arun bought a car for 3,50,000 rupees. So this kind of word problem we have to solve in these chapters. Okay, in the next exercise there are only 4 exercises in this chapter, so this kind of problem we have to solve. Let's we know about the introduction. Full chapter we have to learn in the Zoom lectures. It is only overview and introduction about this chapter. So Hina is 2 times taller than Amir. Okay, so Amir's height is 1/2 of the Hina's height. So here you can say that the Rita has 3/2 times the marbles that Amit has, and then type Amit has 2 upon 3 parts of what Rita has. So this kind of comparison of the two quantities means one have this kind of things and one have this kind of things. This kind of two things having comparison between them, and then after we got the percentage and the comparison between them and equivalent ratios. So equivalent ratio are the ratios 1 into 2 and 2 into 3 are equivalents. So to check this we need to know about the 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. So that gives us 4 upon 6. In this way we got the equations. Example number 3, last year the match wins and match losses having two numbers, wins having 8 and losses having 2. So this year there are 4 wins and losses are 2. So this kind of problem we have to solve. Then after keeping things in the proportion and getting solution. So here keeping thing in the proportion and getting solution is the right answer for the comparing quantities. Then after next, in example number 5, you know that the 6 bowls having cost rupees 90, and what would be the cost of the 10 such a bowls. Then exercise 8.1 overview we already done. Here percentage and another way of the comparing quantities. Here there are two methods, which one Anita's report and one was Rita's report. Okay, so these two reports having a comparison, and so by using this we can solve any example. Then after meaning of percentage. So meaning of percentage, that is a 1% is equal to 1 upon 100. So it gives 0.01 percentage. And then after we got the final answer. Here think, discuss and write. Here we have to compare a shirt with 60% cotton and 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5 polyester. So in this way, converting the fractional number to percentage, that is we can also find and write 1 upon 3 as percentage. So this kind of fraction we have to suggest in the form of the percentage. Okay, so this kind of topics we have to learn in this chapter. Okay, so quickly join the Zoom classes with the help of Vidyalaya app as fast as possible. Thank you so